Alright guys, if you're tired of X, Twitter apps showing photos and especially videos in low quality, kinda grainy or murky, let's see how to fix it for good and get all the contents in high quality every time. So before we go, just make sure the internet you're using, mobile data or Wi-Fi is functional and fast. Now, we're going to check out a couple settings. Launch the app. From menu, go to Settings and Privacy. Under Accessibility, Display and Languages, scroll down to Data Usage. Now, first make sure Data Saver is all the way turned off. Now, if it's disabled, scroll down in here and check if high quality video is set to cellular or Wi-Fi both option. Same goes for high quality images if you're facing problem with photos. Now, this alone should solve your video quality issue. Now, if any individual video quality is still not up to the mark, while the video is playing, just tap on the full icon, go to quality, and just check in which resolution the original video was embedded. Now, usually the highest one is selected. But if it's not, for some videos, you can either select auto or you can just go and manually select the highest resolution available for that specific video. And that's all. Let us know in the comment section if your problem is solved. Thanks for your time.